I just woke up. It is Monday, July 1st. Today is kind of interesting. Typically just either work from home or work from my co-working space and just get a lot of administrative stuff done within my businesses. Tonight we're doing a photo shoot during golden hour for a tutorial. I'm comparing two different camera models, a 5D Mark IV, which I have on me right now, and then I think a 6D. I also want to thank Neutrogena. What? I know, for sponsoring this vlog. That is so incredible to me. I used Neutrogena all throughout high school, and when they reached out to me, I'm so excited to work with them on this. So thank you to Neutrogena, and thank you to those who watch, because I would never imagine I would have this opportunity. So let's get started with the day. Okay, we're in the bathroom and I changed into a robe just because it's significantly cuter. I mean, even with the interiors in here, I might be moving. I'm like 80% sure I'm moving, and I'm gonna miss the bathroom most of all. Anyway, my morning skincare routine is really simple, literally moisturizer and a cleanser. Just pulled this out of the shower. This is what I used last night. It's the oil-free acne wash, pink grapefruit cleansing scrub. I'm just gonna wash my face with this. I just do. And next up, I am going to put an eye cream on. Where did mine go? Right here. We're going to moisturize the face. We're gonna use oil-free acne moisturizer, Neutrogena. Clears breakouts, lightweight moisture. I'm not breaking out actually right now. I was last week, y'all. If you saw my vlog, would have seen that because of stress about deciding if I wanted to move or not. Upward motions, right, y'all? Upward motions. Okay, so skincare is done. Because it's so hot outside, y'all, I don't want to do my makeup until I absolutely have to, because I'm going to sweat it off in my apartment. Skincare is done, and then we're just gonna get straight to work. Why am I videography first off in this vlog, y'all? I'm putting effort in. I don't know what I want to wear today. It's hot outside, but it's not too humid yet because it's only the beginning of July. But I'm also making a tutorial, so I want to make sure I look cute. So I think I might change and just do the bare minimum first and to meet up with my friend for coffee, which I never do during the week because work-life balance, that's a little bit uneven to meet up with someone in the middle of the afternoon just for fun. But hey, summer vibes. And then change and do something actually cute for the tutorial at golden hour. Hair didn't last long down. It also looks greasy. When I was looking at that footage, it's not, but I need to run a brush through it and I can't be bothered right now, so. Okay. I forgot to read my Bible first thing in the morning, so I'm having it with my breakfast, and this is the devotional I use. This devotional is pretty simple. You just look up the date that you're in, so July 1st, and then you just go along with the reading. I missed the bus to the cafe, so that's totally fine. I'm just walking through the park, which I prefer to do and I love to do. It's a beautiful day. It's like 70 degrees, not too humid, but it does feel really weird to be doing something like this, like meeting up with someone in the middle of a work day. But yeah, I also just passed, I showed y'all, Riverside 91st Street Gardens, which we're shooting at tonight. So I'll probably go back up that way to my bus stop to just scout the lighting locations out for tonight. So pretty, and this camera doesn't do it justice. Go through this tunnel, and then you have the river, and I'm almost there, and I'm gonna go. I can't wait to see Rosa. Wow, this light. So what I'll do is for this evening, I'll scout locations at Riverside Garden on 91st Street. since I walk that way anyway, just to get an idea so I don't show up and I'm like, ugh, where exactly do we want to shoot? Because video tutorials I try to shoot with a model pretty fast for. Look at how pretty this is. I love, like, this is so beautiful. I prefer Riverside over Central Park because it's less people, it's more residential, so less like tourists, and it literally feels like you're not in the city anymore. So if you're in New York and you're obsessed with going to Central Park like I was, check out Riverside. It's beautiful. We're at the Boat Basin Cafe. This is Rosa. Oh wait, let me adjust the settings. Do you all remember Rosa from the five backgrounds, one model video? Literally my queen, so encouraging, so kind. And we're just getting, what did you get, Rosa?
I got a Black Angus hamburger.
American
and some
classic.
Cajun fries. It was one of those days.
It is.
It's a Monday. It's a good day for a hamburger.
It's a Monday. Got chicken sandwich. Okay, we're gonna carry on with our conversation. I just got lunch with Rose. I always leave feeling so encouraged and uplifted, which is how you should feel when you're with your friends. And look at how cute the view is. So perfect. Now we're gonna go home and get everything ready for the shoot tonight. Oh, I'm supposed to location scout at the gardens. See you over here. This is a little tunnel. This is the location I'm thinking for tonight. I think that this could be really cool because of all the greens and it's kind of in the shade. And it's not really busy. And look at all these hydrangeas. And then this could be some cool framing. I think that this could be pretty neat. I think this will definitely be one of it. It's times like these where I feel like I don't want to move. I'm like, no, I don't want to. It could have been just a good conversation. It could be the weather. I mean, the weather's perfect. It's not humid. It's not anything. Like, I don't want to leave New York City, but I need to know in literally 14 days whether I will stay in the city or if I want to move to Seattle. And this is where it's so hard because, like, this is not a thing in Washington at all. I just don't know. I'm praying so much. I'm trying to receive clarity because God doesn't give us a spirit of confusion. He gives us peace. And though we can be kind of like back and forth and questioning, we shouldn't feel this. I feel confused about what to do, and I just feel anxious. So I'm just praying so much. But you guys, it's really hard to decide, especially days like this. Okay, see you guys back at the apartment. Let's go. Okay, so I'm home, back on the Mark IV, and I'm going to share with y'all what I'm wearing today. I have a little oil stain on this dress, so I will not be shooting in it tonight like I was planning, but I want to still share it. So this dress is from a brand called Amore Vert, which is a sustainable clothing line. That's my outfit. Now I have about a 45-minute window for packing everything up for the video shoot tonight, which I'm so excited for. Here's I got the 60 body and then also a 50 millimeter. Canon 50 millimeter. Here is the Mark IV. Here it is, the 8AD. Look at how cool is that too? So everything goes on the ground here, laid out with the proper Ziploc bags, because I'm just going to package this up tonight and ship it out tomorrow morning. 8AD, which I'm excited for. I'm going to be comparing that against a Mark IV, pairing the 50mm 1.4 with the 8AD, but film on this guy. Now I'm gonna pack everything up. I need to head out, and I'll see you at Riverside Gardens.
Yeah, you have such a good personality for it.
Yes, of course. We're at Riverside Park Gardens. Here's Hiva and Laura. Laura's assisting tonight's video. Look at the cord, the microphone cord. And then Hiva is our wonderful model today. She's so amazing. The fit and the cart. We just here. Come on in. What do you want to tell them?
So I'm so excited to finally work with Jessica, and it's so amazing. Like, we get each other. That's the cool part. We don't have to, like, you know, tell each other what to do. We just get it. So that's the best part.
You're so amazing. We're doing a video on comparing the Mark IV and the 80D. The Mark IV is what Laura has in her hands right now. And now we're almost done with the video. We just spent like 45 minutes doing intro, outro, all the B-roll, all of the social images, the promotion of it. And now we're gonna go finish up the rest of the video and do 2 more locations. So we have our stuff in this cart. We'll move into the next little right to get it started. Which having the cart helps so much at photo shoots because it acts like a car trunk almost. You can put everything in it. If y'all are in New York City and you don't have one of these and you're always worried about your bag, so you can just consolidate everything down. Highly recommend. Look at this location. It's so pretty. It's so good. Here's our little setup. We have Laura. I'm hooked up with the old lav mic to her, and I can't go anywhere without having her follow along, right? Here's our little cart, which is so helpful. Beautiful Hiba, our model.
It's so magical.
Look at how amazing. Wow, literally this is like videography all in of itself. Wow, amazing, amazing. And then we have the 2 cameras. Canon 5D Mark IV, and then, which we just finished shooting on, and now we're about to compare the Canon 80D. Okay, Hiba, what do you think? How are you feeling?
So happy. Actually, I'm so grateful that I got this chance to shoot, and
so sweet.
I feel like the pictures came out so amazing. Like, I feel like we're a good team. So
We
I'm excited.
You're amazing. Okay, where can everybody find you in the vlog? Wait, this light right now of you? Wait, are you even joking? Okay, where can everybody find you?
My Instagram is HibaSoul. It was so
Okay,
amazing.
you're so amazing. Yay! We're ending the shoot on a really good golden hour note. How are you feeling, Laura?
Good. It's so fun to switch from photography to videography and get to try both. So.
Literally, Laura is a videographer. She be directing that B-roll. She's so good. Okay, so, yay.
Yeah.
I never know how to transition these.
Yeah.
See y'all later. Bye. Any situation? Peace sign. Back home. Actually, I've been home, but Laura and I hung out for a few hours, and now it's like 10:30, and I'm downloading the images and the footage from today's session. We're using the Listy drive, which I love. This is a new little one, and it's sending it on over. All of the gear is packaged back up in their bubble wrap. I actually need to tape this down. I just bought packing tape for this specific purpose, and this will go out tomorrow. I tried to put my hair in a ponytail for this part, but nobody cared. But whatever. I'm gonna shower here in a minute, but it takes 10 minutes for our shower to even become lukewarm. Welcome to New York City. And for the purpose of me actually sharing my skincare routine, we're not gonna have the water running. You guys, my makeup after shooting is always destroyed. Whether I'm shooting for 3 hours or 30 minutes, whenever my camera is pressed up against my face, all of the makeup like warms up and makes my makeup shift around, my mascara run. This isn't so bad. There's been some rough times. And then I get home and I'm like, how long has it looked like that when I'm with a client? We're gonna take it all off. So using the Neutrogena ASMR, I'm using the oil-free cleansing wipes, pink grapefruit. These ones smell really good and they're really powerful. Today was a really good day. I've honestly been struggling so much the past 2 weeks with depression. I mean, I have depression, I struggle with it, but it comes and goes in waves. Today was just such a great start to the week. It was a little bit more unique than what I typically do as I was sharing, but it just made for an even more fun vlog because typically Mondays for me mean sitting at my desk behind my computer. I'm just gonna wash the rest of my face in the shower. I'm gonna use my oil-free acne wash that I used this morning, but in the shower. I'm almost halfway out of it. I need to go to Walgreens and get a little restock. This stuff is really good. This whole line is very refreshing. It's very back to basics. I need to take a shower, and I also, oh my gosh, I need to eat dinner still. Okay, I guess we're gonna cook. Shower's running for at least 15 minutes. Perfect opportunity to make dinner. Let's go. So I'm gonna just reheat some of this amazing taco soup that my mom taught me how to make. It's so good. I know it doesn't sound as appealing as it is 80 degrees outside, but this is so good. All the taco soup is 2 cans of tomato sauce, corn, kidney beans. I also use like the Cuban style beans from Trader Joe's, and then a bunch of taco seasoning, and then some garlic, and it's so good. You can make a big batch of it, freeze half of it. This literally, it was frozen, and then have it like every single day for the rest of the 2 weeks, meal prepping. How was it almost 11? Okay. Hi, this is my mirror. In order to use our microwave, you have to turn off the air conditioner. Also, you can't, I have to shout now, use the microwave for longer than 2 minutes and 30 seconds at a time, or else it will blow all of the fuses out. Welcome to New York City. Here we are, everyone. The clock is about to strike midnight and the vloggy vlog is about over. I had so much fun today. It was really encouraging and refreshing. It was awesome to be able to spend time with Rosa and Laura, 2 of my amazing friends. How lucky am I that I even have them in my life, but I get to see them in one day. We did an amazing photo shoot. I'm going to be editing this vlog tomorrow, as well as starting the rough edit of the video we did today. I try to do everything as soon as I can. That's just how I have my schedule arranged, and it works well for me. We're also going to be editing a wedding tomorrow and finishing that up. Tomorrow's going to be an editing day, therefore the vloggy vlog will end here. I love you all so much, and thank you again to Neutrogena for sponsoring this video. That is so exciting and insane and crazy to me, but it's just like a dream come true, and thank y'all for watching because it gives me those fun opportunities. It's so amazing. I love you all so much. Be sure to subscribe and let me know if you want to see more of these vlogs. Okay, good night.